Hello everyone. First, thank you for watching this video. My name is Mingwei Sang. Today I'm gonna show you how to use R to run Garchmodel. This code is written by myself, a little bit different from what's on our project. So if there is anything wrong, please forgive my mistakes. Alright, let's start. First, before running the Garchmodel, you should download some data. So this is my data downloaded from Yahoo Finance. I mainly use VIX and SPY as a comparison to illustrate. So here are my code. First, you should install some packages. I've already installed these packages. Here I'm going to show you how to install. You just click packages here and click install. And if you want to install, for example, the first one, T series, you just type in T series and click install. But I've already installed. So if you want to library these packages, you just select all these packages and click the run button. Yeah, we're done. And here is a quick way. You can just click here, this button. So every step I've already written down the note for you to understand. So if you want to run your code, just select this code. Select this code and click the run button. For example, the first one, the professor already shown to us how to read the data. So I've just run the data. And the second one is called attach, which means match the data with this name so that we can use the name to represent the data directly. So you can just click here to see the data. This is all the data. So next step, if you want to test your data, you just type in the name instead of the whole data. So the next step is called pretesting the data. The first one is called the descriptive statistics, and the second one is called GB test. And here is the histogram of the VIX and SPY. And I'm going to run this data. And you can see the histogram of SPY. So I have already generalized this statistics and GB test here. So after the GB test, you have to run the uniroot test. So here is a uniroot test. I'm using one of the uniroot tests. It's called ADF test here. So after the uniroot test, we have only one left. That's called a ArchLM test, and you should choose your leg here. I'm choosing 1, 5, and 10. So if you want to choose 5, just delete 1 and type in 5 here. So run this code. You can get your result here. Also, I generalized it here. This ArchLM test, or it's also called ArchLM effect test. So after this test, we can draw inclusion. That means Wix is not gonna fit our Garchmodel, but SP5 can, SP500 or SP5, whatever. So here's the conclusion. So this code is the code. This is the code for the fitting model part, and this code is called Garchfit. If you run this model, the R is gonna fit this Garchmodel. And if you run the summary here, you can also see the statistics, p-value, and ASC and SIC value, which will be used in the next step. So after you run these several models, you can see a lot of steps. So after you run these models, you have to choose which one is the best model. So we're gonna use ASC and SIC criteria, and you should choose the smallest AIC and SIC value, and ASC and SIC should be the same, or at least extremely close to each other. So here, Garch11 model is the best model for us. After this step, you can use plot to plot some graphs to test your model. Here are 13 models. For example, if I choose 13, I just type in 13 here, and I'm gonna get a QQ norm plot, which we have already learned in our modeling class. So these are several steps to run Garchmodel. And after you run Garchmodel, you can also predict the model. Oh, sorry. I have to exit. So if I run this code, I can see the predictions here. So here are all the steps for the Garchmodel running part. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.